Hi, welcome back to another session of Anubhav Shah Photography. In this session, we are going to talk about how to create graffiti effect in Photoshop, and we will quickly see how to convert this to this. ग्राफिटी इफेक्ट एक बहुत ही स्पेशल इफेक्ट है जिसे कि आप अचीव कर सकते हैं फोटोशॉप में और किसी भी इमेज को बहुत ही सुंदर आर्टिस्टिक वे में प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं. So let's quickly jump into Photoshop and learn about this magical technique. Hello wonderful people, this is Anubhav Sharma from Anubhav Shah Photography. Without any further ado, let's get started.
Make the streets louder.
Alright, first thing first, let's open Photoshop and open the model image. So first of all, we just bring our wall texture on the canvas. So this is the wall texture we are going to use for this session to generate the graffiti effect. Now we'll go to new and we'll select custom 19201080 and resolution 5 and we'll create. Perfect. And we will just decrease it from here a little bit. That's it. Okay, now we will just bring our wall texture onto this layer and we will drag it to fit to the edges. And finally, we will bring our graffiti texture onto this layer. So this is the texture we are going to use. We will again just fit it to the screen. Perfect. Press enter. So we have background, which we are going to delete. We don't require that. Now we have the graffiti layer and we have the brick layer. Perfect. We will proceed now. And first of all, we'll just rename it to the graffiti and this is bricks. We will select graffiti layer and we will make a masking on it. We will select brush and make sure foreground color is black. And we will quickly change brush to grunge brush and we will increase its size and we will start clicking here and there on the graffiti layer so that our brick texture would be visible. Make sure your opacity and flow should be 100%. So once you have done it, just bring your model image onto the canvas. So for this session, we are going to use this pretty model which I downloaded from unsplash.com, and this beautiful artwork is from Selena. Alright, so we will just quickly press enter and we will select the quick selection tool and we will select the model very quickly. Once this is done, just go to select and mask and select new layer with layer mask, press OK. Drag your original image to the bottom. We don't require it this point of time, so the eye icon is deselected, effect is not visible, and we are going for the cutout which we have just created. We will press Ctrl T and we will just adjust the image as per our requirements. Once this is done, just press enter. After achieving it, we will just right click on the masking of model and we will apply layer mask. So now we have one layer which has the cutout properly. Okay, we will rename it to the model 1. We'll make another copy by pressing Command J and we'll call it model 2. Now we'll select the model 1. We'll go to the blending option by double click on this particular space and we'll go to stroke. We'll make the size as 5 pixel. We'll make position as center and we'll select the blend mode as normal, opacity 100%, and we will select the color as black and we will press OK. We'll change the pixel somewhere 18 and we'll press OK. Perfect. And we will now right click on it. We will convert it to the smart object so that smart object option will allow us to perform any action non-destructively in Photoshop. So we'll convert it to the smart object. We'll go to the filter gallery and we'll go to the artistic folder cutout and we'll change it to the 803 is fine. Press OK. We will deselect this model 2 layer so that we can see the effect on it. So this is the effect we have generated. Let's proceed. Now we will go to the layer, new adjustment layer, posterize, and we'll select the levels as 5 is fine. This is fine. Just click on the clipping mask here so that all the effect will be visible and affected on the underneath layer, which is the model 1. We will now create another adjustment layer for brightness and contrast. Just increase the brightness a bit and decrease the contrast all the way down. Perfect. And just click on the clipping mask. And finally, we will create another adjustment layer for hue and saturation, and we'll just change the saturation a bit, and we'll change the color as well to some desirable effect. This one is fine, and I'll just quickly select the clipping mask as well. And now we will select hue and saturation masking, and we will select the brush. We'll make sure to select the foreground color as black, opacity 100%, and we are again on the same brush, and we will just click on the area where we don't want the effect. Now we will go to the graffiti layer. We'll do Command J and we will select the masking layer of the copy graffiti which we have just created, and we will just right click on it and we will delete layer mask, and we will drag this layer on above to all the layers. Right click, create clipping mask, and we will change the blending mode to hard light, and we'll make another masking on it. Select the brush tool, make sure foreground color is black, and just click on the canvas. You can play with the another blending mode if you want. Lighter color is good. We'll select the lighter color just by selecting masking, and we will start revealing little effect. Alright, after achieving it, just enable Model 2 image, and we'll go to filter gallery, and we'll select sketch, photocopy, and we'll change this to the 3 and to somewhere all the way up. We'll press OK, and finally we'll again go to filter gallery, and this time we'll go to artistic and cutout, and we will decrease the number of levels. We'll increase the edge simplicity. This is fine, and we'll press OK, and we will quickly just increase the contrast and the levels of this particular image by pressing Command L, and we will increase the darkness of this image which we have just created. Fine, OK, and change its blending mode to multiply. Perfect. Now we have achieved it. We will press Command Alt Shift E to make a composite layer which will have all the effects of all visible layers. Now we'll call it main. We will just create a clipping mask on it, and we will just go to the main layer, which is the brick layer, and we will do Ctrl A, and then we will press Ctrl C to copy, and we will come back to main layer, and we'll go to the channels. We will see this main mask. We'll click on it, and we will do Ctrl V to paste our effect which we just copied, and after clicking it, just press Command V to paste it, and just come back to layers, do Command or Ctrl D to deselect, select the main layer, go to the blending options and select bevels and emboss, and now just change following settings. We will select the style as inner bevel, technique as chisel hard, that is fine, depth is somewhere 800. I'll do the direction as down. I'll increase the size somewhere to 70, and soften 0 is fine, and I'll change the angle to somewhere 125, and we will change the altitude to somewhere 30. We will change highlight mode as overlay, and we'll select the white color, opacity 100%, and we'll change the shadow mode, blending mode to multiply, and we will just press OK. And now we have achieved so wonderful results so greatly. Vibrance, and we'll increase the vibrance a bit and the saturation a very little. Perfect. And we'll select this masking of vibrance. We will select the brush. We'll make sure the foreground color is black, and we'll decrease the opacity, and we can decrease the effect on the face of the model. So this is optional. If you want to do it, you can do it. You can decrease the effect, otherwise you can keep it like this. So entirely depends on your personal preference. So I would like to just decrease the effect a bit. So now we are done with it, and we will quickly see what we have achieved so beautifully in it. So we started with this image, and we have achieved this wonderful result. So this is before, after, before, after. Enjoy! ऑलराइट, सो जैसे कि अभी हमने देखा कि ग्रेविटी इफेक्ट कितनी इजीली और इफेक्टिवली हम जनरेट कर सकते हैं फोटोशॉप पे और अपनी इमेजेस को बहुत ही आर्टिस्टिक इफेक्ट के अंदर जनरेट कर सकते हैं। और इनकेस आपको कोई भी दिक्कत आती है फोटोशॉप या फोटोग्राफी यूज करते हुए, यू कैन गो टू आवर वेबसाइट www.anubhavshahphotography.com or you can comment in comment section. If you have not subscribed my channel right now, please go and subscribe and hit the bell icon. And thank you so much for your lovely messages and suggestions. We are so glad to have that. And we'll be back very soon with a fresh dedicated episode for your learning pleasure. और तब तक के लिए फिट रहें, सेहतमंद रहें, मुस्कुराते रहें. This is Anubhav Sharma from Anubhav Shah Photography signing off.